Hi, in this tutorial we will learn how to save multiple Windows layout inside Rhino. Sometimes, depending on your project, you might need different toolbars, different options here, different set of tools. So you can do that by using this option here, the Windows layout. Now, before here I added the box edit toolbar. Here I have the standard toolbar, and this is the V-Ray. And here I have these options here. So let's say I like to save this. Go to Windows Layout, and save window layout. I will give it a name. Now let's try to change things and restore the layout that we created. I'm gonna remove things from here, and maybe I will expand this. I will add maybe a few panels. And let's try to restore it. Go to Window Layouts. You can see your newly created layout. You can click here to restore it. Also, you can go to Manage Window Layouts. From here, you can see the default layouts, and this is your custom. You can click on it. Here you can delete it, and from here you can restore it. Here, if you change things, you can update this layout with the current layout. Basically, you are changing the content of your saved window layout. Okay, so let's click here, the restore selected window layout. So as you can see, everything is restored. Let's try again. Now I will only delete this. I will just expand this, so you can see that it will affect also the size. And here also I will just from here you can use this. It will ask you if you like to update the named layout with the current window positions. I don't want to update, I want to restore, so I will click no. So everything is restored. You can create multiple Windows layout. This is useful also in some cases, sometimes when you open Rhino, your layout get reset for some reason. It happens sometimes. And basically that's it for this tutorial. If you like it, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.